Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 13.2, in which we will find the area of the following figures. See, before doing this, before finding the area of these figures, let's learn the rules. There are few rules that you need to learn. Okay, so let's move. See here, step 1. Count the number of complete squares enclosed by the figure. It means full square. It is 1 square. Okay, now count. Step 2. Count the number of those squares whose more than half part is enclosed by the figure and treat them as one complete square. If a square is like this, like a square is like this, more than half, it is more than half. More than half will be counted as one square only. Okay, more than half square is counted as one square only. Okay, now step 3. Count the number of those squares whose half part is enclosed by the figure and divide it by 2 to get the number of complete square. See what we can do. No need to divide it by 2. What we can do, just count it as half. Half will be counted as half square. Okay, then if there are two half square, two half will be one square. Two half will be one square. Clear? Okay, now leave those squares whose less than half part is enclosed by the figure. Less than half part, it means if a figure is like this, see, I'm drawing here, there is no space. See, a figure is like this, less than half, small part, less than half. Okay, less than half, it will not be counted. Zero square, zero, nothing will be counted here. You need to leave it. Okay, now let's do it. See, in this exercise, find the area of the following figure. See, count all the squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many squares are there? 12. So you can write answer as 12 square unit. Okay, 12 square unit. Okay, clear? It is 12 square unit. Similarly, count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here we have half and half, here also half and half. Half and half 1, half and half 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we can write 8 square unit. Okay, 8 square unit. Okay, now okay, next let's move to next question. Question number B. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Let's count all full squares. Okay, 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Now count more than half. So here we have more than half, 21, sorry, 22, then we have 23, 24. Okay, now we will not be counting this. This is less than half, and here we have 3 half, here we have 3 half. So 24, half and half 25, and this is half, 25.5 square. So the answer will be 25 13.5 square unit. Okay. Okay. Now again, let's do it here. First, you just count all full squares, whole squares. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 7. Okay. Now more than half. 7. Here 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This is also more than half. 12. Okay. Now just count it as half. Count it as half. And this is less than half. This will not be counted, not be counted, not be counted. This will not be counted. This is looking like half. This will be counted, not be counted. This will not be counted, not be counted. This will be counted. Okay. So we have 12, half and half 13, and here we have half 13.5. Just write 13.5 square unit. Clear? Now we have completed question number 1. Now let's move to question number 2. Look at the figure. Area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Area of each square is given as 1 square centimeter. Okay. Classify true and false statement. Okay. The area of rectangle ABCD, okay, equals to 20 square centimeter. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, it is true. Right? True. Clear? Now, the area of triangle ABD, this is the triangle. Okay. This is the triangle part, pink part. Okay. Equals to 10 square centimeter. Let's count it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will not be counted. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, correct. Yes, true. True. Okay. Now let's look at question number C. The area of triangle ABE equals to 9 square centimeter. ABE. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. Okay. Now let's count it. Count all the full squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than half, 7, 8. Okay, 8. We have more than half. Now you just cross it, half and half, 9, and half and half, 10. Here we find 10 square centimeters there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it is showing 9 square. It is false. Okay. Now erase it. Now question number D. Area of triangle ABD is half of area of rectangle ABCD. Okay, and see, triangle ABD is the half of ABCD. Yes, it is correct. True. Okay, see here we have done question number 1 and 2 of exercise 13.2 today. And now today in online class we shall discuss about exercise 13.3, in which we will be learning about finding area using formulas. Okay, so today you complete up to exercise 13.2, and we shall discuss about exercise 13.3 in online class today. Okay, so thank you.